As CEO of Sprucehill Homes, I've always believed our successes come from the people we work alongside. Last week, we hosted our Sprucehill Homes All Trades meeting, a chance to bring together the people who helped shape every renovation and project we took on. It gave us a moment to slow down, listen, and learn from the trades and partners we rely on every day. Your insight and feedback were honest, thoughtful, and exactly what we needed to continue moving forward. It reaffirmed that our best work happens when we're aligned and communicating openly. Seeing the collaboration and professionalism in the room made me incredibly proud of the community we built. Watching everyone connect, share stories, and support each other reminded us why our network is so strong. Thank you for joining us last week. We're grateful for this community and excited for what we'll continue building together.